Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the precise mechanics of crafting and publishing a highly attractive commercial offer on the G2G marketplace platform. Assuming your merchant credentials are fully verified, start by logging into your account, heading to the upper navigation panel, and entering your personalized seller dashboard screen. Click on the prominent Create Offer icon to open the Listing Template wizard and begin filtering by the specific game title, localized regional server, and virtual faction relevant to your product inventory. Next, define your exact product category layout, choose whether you are supplying digital currency, gaming accounts, or specialized power leveling services, and set your baseline stock quantity level. Establish your pricing structure competitively, carefully compose a transparent description detailing your fast delivery terms, and check the automatic delivery toggle if you possess instant digital keys. Finally, upload any necessary visual proof or item screenshots, review your complete listing conditions for absolute accuracy, and hit the Publish button to immediately push your live offer out to millions of eager gamers worldwide. Subscribe the channel for more videos.